Welcome to Education Point. Once again, welcome to my channel. Today I am taking another sessions regarding engineering drawing part 4. This topic will be covered orthographic projections, isometric projections, types of arrowhead engineering drawing. So basically এই সেকশনটি ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ହେବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି। ଆପଣମାନେ ଯଦି ଦେଖିବେ ଇଞ୍ଜିନିୟରିଂ ଡ୍ରଇଂର ସିଲାବସ୍ ୱାଇଜ୍ ମୁଁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଅପଲୋଡ଼ କରୁଛି। ସୋ ଆପଣମାନେ ମୋ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍ ସହିତ ଯୋଡ଼ି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ। ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ଏହି ସେସନ୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବହୁତ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟିଂ ଲାଗିବ। ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରଥମ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଡିସ୍କସନ୍ କରିବା। So the first question is, the straight lines which are drawn from various points on the counter of an object to meet a plan are called. So options are connecting lines, projectors, perpendicular lines, hidden lines. So which one is the correct option for among the options? So out of 4 options, option B will be the correct, which is projectors line. Next question, when the projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane, the projection is called. Very important questions. Question is, when the projectors are parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane, the projection is called. Options are perspective projections, oblique projections, isometric projection, orthographic projections. So the correct answer for this question is orthographic projections. So option D will be correct. Next question, in the oblique projections, an object is represented by how many views? An oblique projections, an object is represented by how many views? Options are 1 views, 2 views, 3 views, 4 views. So which one is correct? So among 4 options, option A, which is 1 views, will be the correct answer. Next question, the object we see in our surrounding usually without drawing came under which projections? Options are perceptive projections, oblique projections, isometric projection, orthographic projections. So the correct answer for this question is perspective projections. Perspective projections will be the correct answer for this question. Option A will be correct. Next question, in orthographic projections, each projection view represent how many dimensions of an object? So options are 1, 2, 3, 0. So which one is correct? So out of 4 options, option B, which is 2, will be the correct answer for this question. Next question, in orthographic projections, an object is represented by 2 or 3 views on different planes, which, so options are, gives views from different angles from different directions, are mutually perpendicular projections planes, are parallel along one directions but are different cross section, are obtained by taking planes from 2 or 3 sides of object. So think about these questions. So which one is correct? So option B, which is mutually perpendicular projection planes, will be the correct answer for this question. Next question. So option B will be correct. Next question. To represent the object on paper by orthographic projections, the horizontal plane HP should be placed in which way? Options are, the HP is turned in a clockwise directions up to 90 degrees. The HP is turned in anti-clockwise direction up to 90 degrees. HP plane is placed to left side of vertical plane to it, parallel to it. HP plane is placed to right side of vertical plane parallel to it. So think about it. This is also important questions. So which one is correct? Option A, which is the HP is turned in clockwise directions up to 90 degree, will be the correct answer. So option A will be correct. Next question. The hidden parts inside or backside of object while represented in orthographic projections are represented by which line? Options are continuous thick line, continuous thin line, dash thin line, long break line. So which one is correct? Think about it. This is also very important questions in exam point of view. So out of 4 options, option C, which is dashed thin line, will be the correct answer for this question. Next question. What is additional third view on orthographic projections in general for simple object? What is additional third view on orthographic projection in general for simple objects? Options are front view, top view, side view, view at 45-degree perpendicular to horizontal plane. So out of 4 options, which one is correct? Option C, which is side view, will be the correct answer for this question. Next question. The front view of an object is shown on which plane? Very, very important. Front view of an object will be shown on which plane? Options are profile plane, vertical plane, horizontal plane, parallel plane. So the correct answer for this question is vertical plane. Vertical plane, which is option B, will be the correct answer. Next question. The top view of an object is shown on which plane? So in the previous question, the question was asked about front view, and the current question, the question is asked about top view of an object. So the options are profile plane, vertical plane, horizontal plane, parallel plane. So which one is correct? So here the answer top view of an object will be shown on the horizontal plane. In the previous question, front view of an object will be shown on vertical plane. So take these questions as important for your exam point of view. Next question. The side view of an object is shown on which plane? Another similar type questions. So options are profile plane, vertical plane, horizontal plane, parallel plane. So the right answer for this question is profile plane. So side view of an object will be shown in the profile plane. So coming to the next question. If isometric projection of an object is drawn with true length, the shape would be same and size is how much larger than actual isometric projections? Options are 25%, 29.5%, 22.5%, 33.3%. So which one is correct? Which one is correct? Think. If isometric projection of an object is drawn with true length, the shape would be same and the size is how much larger? How much larger than actual isometric projections? So the correct answer for this question is 22.5. 22.5% will be larger than actual isometric projection. So for the question 13, the correct option is option C. Next question. If an isometric projection is drawn with true measurement but not with isometric scale, then the drawing are called. Options are isometric projections, isometric view, isometric perception, orthographic view. So the correct answer for this question is, think about it. Think about it. If an isometric projection is drawn with true measurement but not with isometric scale, then the drawings are called isometric view. Option B will be correct. Next question. If an isometric drawing is made use of isometric scale, then the drawing are called isometric projections, isometric view, isometric perception, orthographic view. So which one is correct? So in this question, the correct answer is option A, isometric projection. Next question. In engineering drawing, which type of arrowhead is used? Very important. Open 90 degrees, small open circle, closed and filled, oblique stroke. So think the questions, it is also important for exam point of view. So which one is correct? So option C, which will be closed and filled, will be the correct answer for this question. Next question. This is a line terminated by arrowhead indicated the direction and extension of a dimension. So options are dimension line, extension line, arrowhead line, center line. So think about it. Think about it. It is also very important questions. चिंता करंतु कौन हम आंसर चिंता करंतु कौन है परिव आंसर The question is, this is a line terminated by arrowhead indicated the direction and extension of a dimension. So which one will be the correct answer? So भावन्तु कौन आंसर हबो So here the correct answer for this question is arrowhead line. So option C will be correct. Next question. In multi-view drawing, it is common practice to include three views: the front, the top, and the right. If no dimension are required on the right side view, the drafter can, options are, leave the view as is, eliminate the view, use the left view instead, none of above. So out of four options, option B, you have to eliminate the view. If no dimension are required on the right side, then you have to eliminate the view. So option B will be correct. Center lines are used to locate or represent the center of dash. So here options are arcs, circles, hidden round features, all of above. So out of four options, which one is correct? All the options are correct. So center lines are used to locate arc, circles, as well as hidden round features. Next question. If a plane is parallel to the plane of projection, it appears. If a plane is parallel to the plane of projections, it appears. Options are true size, as a line or edge, for shortened as an oblique surface. So if you see the options, and the correct option for this question is option A, which is true size. Next question. An accurate record of changes made to release drawing is tracked via. Options are a revision blocks, the basic title forms, working drawings, portable documents. So if you changes some document in the drawing, then you have to make what? Revision blocks. So option A will be correct. Next question. The side plan illustrates. Options are the floor plans, where the house site on the property, where the garage and driveway are located, the roof plan. So side plan illustrate the where the house site on the property. So option B will be correct. Next question. In this type of view, the cutting plane line indicates both the location of the cutting plane and the direction of site. Here are the options: removed section, revolved sections, auxiliary sections, partial sections. So if the cutting plane line indicate both the locations, cutting plane as well as direction of site, then it is known as auxiliary sections. So option C will be correct, auxiliary section. Next question. This is formed where three or more surfaces intersect. So if three or more surfaces intersect, then what are the options? Oblique, line, edge, vertex. Then vertex will be formed. So option D will be correct. Next question. This practice consider an individual part, dimensions and tolerances, and that part relation to its related parts. So the options are applying tolerance allowances, geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, creating datum surfaces, references, angular dimensioning, tolerances. So out of 4 options, so if individual parts dimension and tolerance and parts relation to its related part, then the geometric dimensioning and tolerance will be given. So option B will be correct. The principal reason for using an auxiliary view, very important. The principal reason for using an auxiliary view, options are to eliminate hidden lines, to create a true projection plane from an inclined plane in one of the primary views, to show cylinder as ellipse, to locate center marks. So out of 4 options, option B, to create a true projection plane from an inclined plane in one of the primary views. So correct option for this question is option B. Next question. Baseline dimensions are referenced from a common geometric feature known as edge, corner, datum, point of reference. So baseline dimensions are referenced from the common geometric feature known as datum. Option C will be correct. Next question. Oblique drawing are dimensioned in a similar fashion as these type of drawing. Options are orthographic, isometric, angular, parallel. So this or oblique drawing are dimensioned in a similar fashion because this type of drawing are isometric. Option B will be correct. The type of line that project from an object for the express purpose of locating a dimension is dash line. Visible, hidden, extension and dimensions. So here extension will be the right option. Next question. This is the measured size of finished part. Options are actual size, dimension size, production size, basic size. So the correct answer for this question is option A. So I have prepared top 30 MCQ on engineering drawing part 4. So I hope this information will be helpful for your exam. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button and do share with your friends and like also. So this is all about this video. Thank you.